Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 30. God is in everything I see because God is in my mind. The idea for today is the springboard for vision. From this idea will the world open up before you, and you will look upon it and see in it what you have never seen before. Nor will what you saw before be even faintly visible to you. Today, we are trying to use a new kind of, quote, projection. We are not attempting to get rid of what we do not like by seeing it outside. Instead, we are trying to see in the world what is in our minds and what we want to recognize is there. Thus, we are trying to join with what we see, rather than keeping it apart from us. That is the fundamental difference between vision and the way you see. Today's idea should be applied as often as possible throughout the day. Whenever you have a moment or so, repeat it to yourself slowly, looking about you, and trying to realize that the idea applies to everything you do see now, or could see now, if it were within the range of your sight. Real vision is not limited to concepts such as near and far. To help you begin to get used to this idea, try to think of things beyond your present range, as well as those you can actually see, as you apply today's idea. Real vision is not only unlimited by space and distance, but it does not depend on the body's eyes at all. The mind is its only source. To aid in helping you to become more accustomed to this idea as well, devote several practice periods to applying today's idea with your eyes closed, using whatever subjects come to mind, and looking within rather than without. Today's idea applies equally to both. Now, look about you slowly, saying, God is in everything I see because God is in my mind. While you have your eyes open and looking about you, try to think of things that are not within your range of sight as you continue saying, God is in everything I see because God is in my mind. And finally, close your eyes. And whatever subjects come to mind, say to yourself, God is in everything I see because God is in my mind. Okay. This concludes Lesson 30. Remember to apply this idea as often as possible throughout the day. Whenever you have a moment, repeat it to yourself. Whether it's something that you're actually looking at or something that comes to your mind while your eyes are looking at objects, or while you close your eyes and apply it to the thoughts that come.